What is personal AI? Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but actually knows you. Your habits, your preferences, your writing style, even the way you think. That is the idea behind personal AI. Personal AI is a type of artificial intelligence designed to be customized for a single individual. Instead of being a general system that serves millions of users in the same way, it learns from you specifically. It adapts to your data, your conversations, your routines, and your goals. Over time, it becomes more like a digital extension of your own mind. Unlike traditional AI tools that reset every time you start a new session, personal AI systems often include memory. This means they can remember important details about your life, such as your work projects, your preferences, or even how you like to communicate. The more you interact with it, the more personalized and useful it becomes. You can think of it like a digital assistant that evolves with you. It can help you write emails in your tone, summarize your notes, remind you of tasks, or even act as a thinking partner when you are making decisions. Some systems are built into devices, while others live in the cloud or even run directly on your phone for more privacy. One of the biggest differences between personal AI and regular AI is ownership. In many personal AI systems, the data belongs to the user. That means your memories, conversations, and preferences are not just random data points. They are part of your personal digital identity. But this also raises important questions. If an AI knows everything about you, how is that data protected? Who can access it? And how much should an AI really know? Privacy and security are major challenges in the development of personal AI systems. Looking ahead, personal AI could become something even more advanced. Instead of just assisting you, it could act like a digital version of yourself, helping you communicate, work, and even make decisions when you are not available. In the future, everyone might have their own AI that grows with them throughout life. Not just a tool you use, but a system that understands you deeply. And that is what makes personal AI one of the most powerful and controversial ideas in the future of technology.